At Solar Symphony, we deliver compelling value, delivering the highest quality solar energy systems. We have to have the best people in the business, do the best work possible, and deliver the best product out there. By lowering the price point and making solar a better value, it makes it available to more people. And more people can go solar, which is good for our environment, it's good for our nation's energy security, it's good for our communities.
Last August, I had an electric bill of $560. And I said, this is crazy. I've got to do something. So I decided then and there that we were going to go solar. And they didn't just offer you the manufacturer's warranty, they offered you their own personal warranty as well. I like knowing that if I have a problem with my system, I can call Solar Symphony, they'll come out and troubleshoot the problem and get it taken care of. And I think Solar Symphony delivered on their promises. I have an excellent system, it's a ground mount system, and we're already saving money.
Solar Symphony services the Southern California solar market, in particular San Diego County, Orange County, and Riverside County. Solar Symphony, the most compelling value in solar energy.